Duccio di Buoninsegna was born circa 1255 to 1260, died circa 2013-18 to 1319. Commonly known as just Duccio, was an Italian painter active in Siena, Tuscany. In the late 13th and early 14th century, he was hired throughout his life to complete many important works in government and religious buildings around Italy. Duccio is considered one of the greatest Italian painters of the Middle Ages, and is credited with creating the painting styles of Trecento and the Sienese school. He also contributed significantly to the Sienese Gothic style. Duccio's known works are on wood panel, painted in egg tempera and embellished with gold leaf. Duccio's style was similar to Byzantine art in some ways, with its gold backgrounds and familiar religious scenes. However, it was also different and more experimental. Duccio began to break down the sharp lines of Byzantine art, and soften the figures. He used modeling to reveal the figures underneath the heavy drapery. Hands, faces, and feet became more rounded and three-dimensional. Duccio's paintings are inviting and warm with color.